The Collin College Welding Program is a very well-rounded program. It teaches all the basic skills that you would expect in welding in both MIG, TIG, stick, and oxyacetylene, but it also takes the students into the soft skills as well. Amongst the many ways they'll benefit from taking the Collin College Welding Program is that they will have trained professionals that help them, guide them along the way, prepare them for a career in the field, and to learn those skill sets that are necessary. One of the reasons it's so important for a student to learn these skills within the classroom setting with professionals training them is that you're able to slow down and really focus on the very finesse of the skills when you, not only in the welding, but how to handle people, how to prepare yourself for a career, and a strong focus on safety.